Welcome back to Creative Hero Inc. Today, we're diving into pure gamma-charged energy with rage and power. Hulk and She-Hulk ink drawing. Watch as I bring these two Marvel legends to life with bold lines, dramatic shading, and that signature comic book intensity. Grab your pens, or just sit back and relax, because it's time to unleash the rage. Let's start with She-Hulk, also known as Jennifer Walters. She made her debut in 1980 in the Savage She-Hulk #1, created by Stan Lee and artist John Buscema. Jennifer is a brilliant lawyer and the cousin of Bruce Banner, the Hulk. Her transformation happened after she received an emergency blood transfusion from Bruce, which infused her with gamma-irradiated blood. But unlike Bruce, Jennifer retains her intelligence, personality, and control even in her Hulk form. What many people don't know is that She-Hulk was one of Marvel's first major female characters to break the fourth wall, long before Deadpool made it trendy. In the 80s and 90s, her solo comic series had her talking directly to readers, jumping between comic panels, and even arguing with her own writers. It was wild, clever, and meta before meta was cool. She's also been a member of several iconic teams, including the Avengers, the Fantastic Four, and even S.H.I.E.L.D. And despite her power, she's known for her strong sense of justice and her work as a defense attorney, representing both humans and superhumans alike. Now let's talk about the Hulk, the original Gamma Giant. Created in 1962 by Stan Lee and Jack Kirby, Hulk first appeared in The Incredible Hulk #1. Bruce Banner was a mild-mannered scientist working on a gamma bomb for the military. During a test, he saved a young man on the field and absorbed the gamma blast himself. That moment birthed the Hulk, a being of immense strength, driven by emotion and rage. While most people know Hulk as a mindless powerhouse, there's a deeper layer. Over the decades, Hulk's psyche has been shown to be fractured, representing different personas, from the childlike savage Hulk to the cunning and strategic Grey Hulk, also known as Joe Fixit, who worked as a Las Vegas enforcer. There's even the terrifying Worldbreaker Hulk, a version so powerful he nearly destroyed the planet. One lesser-known fact? Bruce Banner was actually supposed to transform into the Hulk during the day, not at night or when angry. The original idea was more like a Jekyll and Hyde horror story. Also, in the first issue, Hulk was gray, not green. The color was changed due to printing issues, and green stuck. Together, She-Hulk and Hulk show two sides of gamma power: control and chaos, intellect and instinct, and both remain fan favorites for their strength, their struggles, and their depth. And that's a wrap on today's gamma-powered drawing. If you enjoyed watching Hulk and She-Hulk come to life, make sure to smash that like button, just like the Hulk would. Don't forget to subscribe to Creative Hero Inc. for more epic art, comic inspirations, and behind-the-scenes drawing action. Drop a comment below. Who should I draw next? Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay creative, stay heroic.